and welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I have another wig tutorial for you guys, and today's video will feature the Outre Paulina wig, which is a part of their Wig Pop line. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on all the greatness happening at Cotton Creations. And all the wig details will be in the description box down below, and if you're interested, stay tuned.
Alright, so I have another synthetic wig video for you guys. This is by Outre, their Wig Pop Paulina wig. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to protect my hair by putting on a wig cap. And this wig comes with no combs, just an adjustable elastic band in the back. And that's it for security. So, yeah. So I got Paulina in 1B. She might come in other colors, but I can't remember. But I'll leave all the information in the description box below. Alright, let's go ahead and get Paulina on and see what she's looking like. And if you guys have been following my other synthetic wig videos, then you know a lot of times I don't really care for the wig when I first put it on. But after some adjusting and some work, I usually like it. But well, I guess you'll have to stay tuned about what I think about Paulina. So the hair was very soft. I was definitely impressed with that. I didn't have any tangling. My hands ran through it. The comb ran through it easily. It is a little bit on the shiny side, and that might have just been because of the lights that I'm using to film the video. But of course, you can always put like a little bit of baby powder to take some of the shine down. But yeah, I'm definitely liking how she's feeling. So I wasn't sure if I had her quite right, because I'm not liking how she's looking on me. So I had to get the stock card and just take a look and see, one, were the bangs in the right place? Were they above the brow, below the brow, right at the brow? So I was like, you know what, let's take this off, try it again, and see if we can't get this looking better. So I still wasn't all the way happy with the bangs, so I decided to wet them a little bit with a little bit of water and see if I can get them to go in the direction that they need to go and to lay how I want them to lay. So I tried that. So you'll see how that turns out. And here's the final look.
right, so please tell me what you think of this video and this wig. As you probably can already tell, I am not a huge fan of Miss Paulina. At least not on me. I don't think she looks the best on me. She might look great on other people, but for me, she's just not doing it. But let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. If you have any tips and tricks on how to make her look a little better on me, let me know that too, because you know I don't mind trying it out. And if you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, like right now down there. And thanks for watching.